Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. We're coming to you straight from the UTECH Championships right here at the UMona campus. For the next half an hour, it will all be about entertainment and lifestyle. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and Pree Dis starts now. As I mentioned before, we're right here at the UTECH Championships, right here at the Mona Bowl. Just in case you weren't here before, don't worry, we'll have highlights coming to you right now from the championships.
We believe that we can win! We believe that we can win! We believe that we can win! We believe that we can win!
It was a good game. Questionable call in the end, but that's how life goes. We trained hard for it. It was a hard-fought match. Both teams went hard, and that's how it went.
The highlight for you?
To be selfish would be when I scored, but a highlight was when Mike when Mike scored. When he did a switch, it was a great play. So that was the play for me.
Well, we have a very exciting match. The first half was very competitive. Both teams came out hard, pounding each other. It's like it was a war out there, but in the end we came out victorious, and I'm very happy about that. I've been playing rugby for 5 years now, and it has been growing from ever since, and I just want to tell Jamaica, come out and support rugby. We're going places.
Better. We failed on our defense, but we know we're going to work on it, and the next time we meet UTECH, we're going to come harder than ever, and we're going to win.
I think it's a very good start for our season. This is the first game of our season, and I'm so happy that my team, we won this game. UTECH is usually one of our most challenging teams to beat, so I'm glad that we started off the season with a great victory. I'm so happy that we came back after the first set. We got beaten in the first set, and we came back and we defeated them in the second too.
How long have you been playing this game professionally?
I have played on my national team, on the 16 team, and then I stopped for a bit, and I started back playing when I entered UE 2 years ago.
Well, the match was very intensive, but nonetheless, we have to give it our all, and we did our fight, and yes, we come out victorious. It was hard for us in that we are playing up against a team that is well fit, but unity and strength, that's what gave us the victory today, and we have to give God thanks for that, and thanks to our coach as well.
at sports action. We're about to take our first break. We have to pay some bills. We'll be right back.